Hi, I am Devang Mehta. I'm an investor in and advisor to early stage technology startups in India. I have 3 decades of operational and investing experience across India and the USA. Then I worked with 3 startups in the Silicon Valley where I observed venture capital from the startup standpoint, where we pitched to investors and gained funding for our companies. Post that, I joined Anthill Ventures, a fund accelerator based out of Hyderabad, Delhi and Mumbai, closely associated with Mirai Capital, which is a fund of funds as well as a fund itself into early stage companies in the India, UAE, Silicon Valley corridor. Investors should look at us for material and financial gain, and startups that are willing to gain growth on account of our strong contacts in these areas, in addition to funding, will find Mirai to be a true value-added provider of capital. Well, first is the formative elements. When you actually have an idea that comes out of a lab or a university and you actually form a company with a credible commercialization path. Step 2 to me is actually getting 2 or more paying customers from B2B side, or a credible mass of customers from the consumer side, and raising money outside of friends and family. And the third stage is scaling or growth, where you actually raise a Series A, B round of funding. You have a large number of paying customers. You have a well-rounded team across engineering. It's very hard to understand the chemistry between the co-founders when you're making an investment decision. So you make your decision based on information that's available publicly and what you've gained from interaction with startups. But there's always a lot of information that is not available or not discernible to you. And to make a judgment call requires, I think, a fairly deep understanding of human nature. Network is net worth. So one has to viscerally believe in this every day. The reason why this ecosystem and the industry exists is that people truly believe in the power of innovation.